Hello everyone, this is Protractor Shivani from RAC Group 1 RAD 3201. The topic I am given is natural resource. So, what is a natural resource? A natural resource is anything that people can use which comes from the nature. We can use it from the nature. Uh, yes, it's purely nature, and we can lavishly use it whenever we want. It's really available, but the availability is becoming lesser and lesser day by day, and people do not make natural resources but gather them from the earth. Of course, we know the man-made resources and the natural resources. So here comes the natural resources. So some of the examples are air, water, wood, oil, and etc. We often say there are two sorts of natural resources. We already knew it, the renewable resource, and the other one is the non-renewable resource. A renewable resource grows again and comes back to us again. We can use it again and again. It is like rebouncing the ball. If we rebounce a ball, it gets back to us again. Uh, for example, we can take as soil, sunlight, especially sunlight, water, and etc. Then now we'll go to a non-renewable resource. A non-renewable resource is a resource that does not grow and come back. Even if they come back, it takes really a long time for them to come back, and this one is like a sin. Once done is done. And for example, if we take coal, when we use it, it becomes less, and if we keep on using it, then it will be lesser and lesser, and there will be no more goods after it. The non-renewable resource can either be used directly, or we can find a renewable resource to use it. There are two either ways for us to use the non-renewable resource, and it is really essential and it's really important to conserve the non-renewable resource, because if we use them too quickly, there will be not enough of the resource. If we keep on using the non-renewable resource, then there will be no more resources kept for us. There will be no more resources available for us. Most natural resources are limited. This means they will eventually run out. A perpetual resource has a never-ending supply. Some example of perpetual resource I can give is solar energy. Of course, the solar energy is a very good example of perpetual resource, and there's a lot of supply of the perpetual resource. And some of the things influencing supply of resources include whether it is able to be recycled and the availability of suitable substitutes for that material. Non-renewable resource cannot be recycled. They cannot be used again and again. We cannot recycle the non-renewable resource. The oil, we can take a very good example as oil. Even if we recycle and use it, they say we get heart attack, isn't it? So there's a lot of evil effects if we reuse the non-renewable resource. And the demand, now we'll talk about the demand. The demand for the resources can change with the new technology. As of now, we have a lot of new technologies. Even we are expecting for the flying cars nowadays, and due to the economy, we are growing well in the economy, but obviously the COVID-19 has made our economy very less, and we can due to the new technology, the demand for the resources has come down a little, but even if it comes down, the demand for some resources are really high, and the material can go completely out of use if people do not want anymore. If we do not want any resources due to the technology, we don't want some of the resources, but the resource will completely go off, and the demand for the natural resource is really high, but the availability is very low as such. And now we'll talk about the availability. All places have their own natural resources. We Indians, the India is famous for the spices, and they say we are less attacked in number due to our antibodies built in us, due to the spices mainly. The spices and everything we eat makes us really strong, and the whole world expects us, demands only in us, and expects us for the spices and everything. And when people do not have a certain resource they need, they can either replace it with another resource. It's like the barter system. We knew it already. The barter system is what we don't have currency. Instead, we give equal amount of goods for the equal goods we get. So likewise we can replace a resource with another resource, and or trade with another country to get the resource. We are not well known for the trade, but we have been given all the resources to the East India Company, and some resources are really difficult to find, so people sometimes fight to have them. When people do not have some natural resource, their quality of life can get lower. So we need to protect our resource from the pollution. Due to the pollution, we don't get clean water. We are really infected with the water nowadays, and waterborne diseases are really high. So humans should begin saving their natural resources, or else all will be lost and it will be difficult for humans to survive. So save the natural resource. Thank you.